As COVID-19 vaccination efforts ramp up, we're learning the impact the shot can have on blood and plasma donations. Depending on which vaccine you get, it may impact when you're able to give blood.
News 6's Mark Lehman explains the changes and how plasma donations are also affected.
At some point, this pandemic will be over, but the need for blood will not.
Many are hoping the pandemic's end is getting closer with increases in vaccine efforts. But officials with OneBlood say there are certain rules from the FDA that could restrict donations. One is convalescent plasma.
The FDA allows them to donate convalescent plasma, but it also requires a lot of complex computer changes to be made.
While someone who's recovered and been vaccinated can still donate, Susan Forbes says current guidance from the FDA prevents OneBlood from accepting a convalescent plasma donation from someone who's been vaccinated.
So we're moving as quickly as possible to make those changes, but that's where it sits at this time.
Another change covers blood donations. If you've received the Pfizer or Moderna vaccine, there is no wait period to donate, but that's not the case for Johnson & Johnson.
If you receive the J&J vaccine, there is a 2-week wait period. So it's not very long, and then you'll be able to donate after that 2-week period.
Forbes says OneBlood will continue to follow all federal government guidelines. While the pandemic has made it difficult for some to donate, she says it's vital for those donations to continue.
We encourage them to keep doing it today, tomorrow, and long after the pandemic.
The Blood Center is encouraging any organization who can host a drive to reach out. We put details about that under this story on clickorlando.com. In the newsroom, Mark Lehman, Getting Results, News 6.